Join me as I challenge myself to attract wealth using just red string and salt and see if it really works. In this video, you will learn how to harness the energies of red string and salt to manifest abundance and financial success quickly and easily. Many people struggle with attracting wealth and often feel stuck in their financial situations, leading to frustration and stress. This can be really overwhelming, and it's easy to lose hope when it feels like no matter how hard you work, you just can't seem to get ahead. Financial struggles can affect every area of our lives, from our relationships to our mental and physical health. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break free from. But what if I told you that there's a simple yet powerful way to start shifting your energy and attracting wealth into your life? It may sound too good to be true, but I'm excited to share with you a technique that's been used for centuries to bring abundance and prosperity. One of the main reasons we struggle with attracting wealth is because we're often blocked by our own negative thoughts and beliefs. We may not even realize that we're holding ourselves back, but the universe responds to our energy and vibration. So, if we're emitting a vibration of lack and scarcity, that's exactly what we'll attract more of. But by using red string and salt in a specific ritual, we can start to shift our energy and attract abundance and prosperity into our lives. This may sound simple, but trust me, the results can be profound. You will explore the symbolism of red string in various cultures and how salt is believed to purify and enhance energy, setting the foundation for attracting prosperity. In many Eastern cultures, red string is seen as a symbol of good luck and prosperity. It's believed to have the power to attract positive energy and repel negative energy. In some cultures, red string is even believed to have the power to bring fortune and wealth to those who wear it. Salt, on the other hand, has been used for centuries to purify and cleanse energy. It's believed to have the power to absorb negative energy and attract positive energy, making it the perfect companion to the red string. In many spiritual traditions, salt is used to cleanse and purify a space, and it's believed to have the power to ward off negative energy. When used together, the red string and salt create a powerful combination that can help to attract wealth and abundance into our lives. By using these simple yet powerful tools, we can start to shift our energy and attract the prosperity we desire. But how do we actually use them in a ritual? Discover the step-by-step process of creating your own wealth-attracting ritual using red string and salt, including the specific intentions to set. To start, you'll need a piece of red string and a small bowl of salt. Find a quiet and peaceful space where you can sit comfortably and take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and focus your intention. Hold the red string in your dominant hand and take a moment to set your intention. What do you want to attract into your life? Is it financial abundance, success in your career, or a sense of prosperity and security? As you hold the red string, focus on your intention and visualize yourself already in possession of what you desire. See yourself surrounded by abundance and prosperity, feeling confident and successful. Take a few moments to really immerse yourself in this visualization, and then take the salt and sprinkle it over the red string. As you do this, repeat your intention out loud and feel the energy of the salt and red string combining to attract abundance into your life. Remember to be specific with your intention, and don't be afraid to dream big. The universe wants us to be happy and fulfilled, and by using these simple yet powerful tools, we can start to attract the wealth and abundance we desire. So take a few moments to practice this ritual and see how it can shift your energy and attract prosperity into your life. To wrap up, remember that the combination of red string and salt can be a potent tool for manifesting wealth if used with intention and belief. By shifting our energy and focusing on what we want to attract, we can start to see real results in our lives. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our next video on other wealth attraction techniques.